Community Connector service was set up in 2014 with Newport City Council and Welsh Government funding. And the project very much provides information and support to unpaid carers in their caring role, and that's to help them remain independent and socially connected.
My name's Charles Parish, and I am a full-time carer for Louisa, my daughter, who has anorexia and autism. There's no doubt, without the project, I'd be in serious difficulty, and I have to be honest and say, I really seriously think I'm not sure I'd be able to cope. It helps us when we think we can't do any more. We just want to give up and say, call it a day.
We get to meet lots of lovely people who are doing their best and just need a bit of support sometimes, and we can provide that. So it's a really rewarding job because we know we're making that difference in people's lives every day. There's so much to be proud of in the project. We're supporting and helping carers every day, helping them with information and helping them before they reach a crisis point so that they know where the support is if they need it.
I'm just very passionate about caring, and especially about the project, which is has been life to me, to be honest. They're worth their weight in gold.